Hi everyone! The first part of this lesson is about rounding to the nearest 5 cents. Now that might not sound like it makes a lot of sense, so just let's write the title first. You have got less than 1 minute to write this title, Rounding to the nearest 5 cents. While you do that, I'm going to go and get some things that we're going to pretend to buy. All right, hopefully you've written that now, rounding to the nearest 5 cents. Now, in our Australian money, we've got these coins. We've got $1, 20 cents, $2, 5 cents, 50 cents, and 20 cents. And obviously we've also got notes. But do you notice that 5 cents is the smallest amount of money that we can make? So why then do we see prices that are things like $5.99? How could we even make 99 cents? 99 cents would need a 5 cents plus 4 more. So you could do 95 cents plus 96, 97, 98, 99, but we don't have 1 cent pieces. So how are we going to make the amount $5.99? What shops do is they round to the nearest 5 cents. So they do this, they round to the nearest 5 cents. So let me show you what that looks like. Let's say that we want to buy this packet of staples, and the price at the shops is $7.98. $7.98. And we go, okay, well, I've got quite a lot of money, so I'll buy $2 plus another 2 is $4. Plus, I've got a $1 coin, that's $5. 2, 4, plus 1 more is 5. Plus another one is 6. Plus another one is 7. All right, so I've got the $7. Now 98 cents. All right, well, let's make the 90 cents first. There's 50. 50 plus 20 more is 70. So now I've got $7.70. 2 more, another 20 cents, sorry. Now I've got $7.50 plus 20 cents is $7.70. Plus 20 more cents is $7.90. Right, so now I've got $7.90. Add in a 5 cents. Now I've got $7.95. But how am I going to make 3 more cents to get to 98 cents? I can do 95 cents, but I can't do 98 cents. Well, guess what the shop does? They say, this is what we say it costs, $7.98. But in real life, you can't pay us $7.98 because you don't have the right kind of coins. So the closest 5 cents, if we were to round, is actually not 98 cents, but 100 cents, which is a whole nother dollar. So if we round 98 cents to the nearest 5, that means we'd actually have this, which is $7.95, and you actually have to add another 5 cents in, because they say, look at this, here is 90 cents, here is 95 cents, and here is 100 cents or $1. So 90, 91, 92, 93, 94, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. So if they want us to pay 98 cents, it's closer, boing boing, to just go up than it is to go back down to 95. Boing, boing, boing. So it's 3 boings that way, but only 2 boings that way. So they're kind of cheeky. If it's 98 cents, we have to round up to, these staples are actually $8 and no cents. All right, what I want you to write down, this is where you actually have to start writing down, is a column that looks, table, that looks like this in your book. So we're going to write price and then put a line and then rounded. Rounded means either up or down, but whichever way it is, to the closest number. All right, I'll just give you a few seconds to write price and rounded. All right, let's say we want to buy this little block of chocolate here, and the price at the shops says that this little block of chocolate is $3.23. All right, well, let's start trying to pay for that. We're going to get $1, another $1, and another $1. That's $3. Now we need to get the 20 cents. So we can just use a 20 cents like that. And then we need 3 more cents. But can we do that? No, we can't. Well, we could either leave it as $3.20 or $3.25. And if we show that here, we've got 20 cents here, 25 cents here, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. 23 is here. Is it closer to 5 or is it closer to 20? That's right, it's closer to 25. So even though it says we need to do $3.23, in fact, when we pay at the checkout, we have to pay $3.25. So what I want you to write now is this. The price is $3.23, but at the checkout, the rounded price is $3.25. And then put a little underline here and a little underline here to show that that number has to go from a 3 to a 5. They make you pay 2 cents extra for your block of chocolate. All right, let's do another one. This time you're going to buy a pen. Here it is. Here's your pen. Now the pen costs $1.02. $1.02. So write that down. All right, well, let's try and pay for it. Here's our $1, but can we do 2 cents? No, we could either do $1.05 or just $1. So if we've got a choice between $1 here, so that's $1, $1.01, $1.02, $1.03, $1.04, $1.05. And we're supposed to pay $1.02. Is $1.02 closer to $1.05 or just plain old $1? That's right, it's closer to $1. So in this case, the customer wins. It said you had to pay $1.02, but in real life, when you're paying with your actual money, you actually only have to pay $1.00. So underline the 2 and underline the 0 to show that's the bit that you rounded. I'm dropping what we're going to buy next. All right. The next thing we're going to buy is a toy monster truck. Rory would be very unhappy if he knew that you were going to buy his toy monster truck. All right, this guy costs, you will see this price a lot, $9.99. $9.99. All right, let's try and pay for it. 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So that's our $9. I'll just stack it all up to make room. That's our $9. $9.50 plus 20 cents makes $9.70. Plus 20 cents makes $9.90. $9.95. Now if I add another 5 cents on, $9.95 plus 5 more cents, that's $10, which is actually just one of these. So do we have to pay $9.95 or $10? $9.95 or $10? Let's look at it on a piece of paper. If we've got $9.95 here and $10 and no cents here, that's $9.95, $9.96, $9.97, $9.98, $9.99. So we've got $9.99. Is it closer to $10 or is it closer to $9.95? It's actually closer to $10. So $9.90, sorry, it actually costs $10. It's not $9 anything. It rounds up to $10. Sneaky. It makes you think you could pay with just coins, but in fact, you need to pay with a $10 note. All right, last thing we're going to buy is this good pair of scissors here. These are my favorite scissors at home. They cut fabric, they cut paper, they cut hair, they cut dog toenails. They are just the best scissors, which is why this pair of scissors costs $7.98. So let's write that down to start with. The scissors cost $7.98. And let's build it. $2, $4, $5, $6, $7. All right, there's our $7. And now let's make the 90. We can make 90 with a 50 cent, 20 cent, that's 70 cents. Another 20 cents, that's 90 cents. So we've got $7.90, $7.95, or should we add another 5 cents on? $8. We do $7.95 or $8, which is closer to $7.98. Well, let's check it. We've got $7.95 here, and we've got $8 and no cents here. $7.95, $7.96, $7.97, $7.98, $7.99. Is $7.98 closer to $8? Or is it closer to $7.95? That's right, it's closer to $8. So write down $8. Good job. That is the end of this lesson and rounding. And can you see that in most cases, the rounding, it's better for the shops. Here, they said it was $3.23, but they make you pay $3.25. Here, they said it was $9.99, but they make you pay $10. Here, they said it was $7.98, but they make you pay $8. So it's like a cheeky trick that shops do to make it look like it's a smaller number, but actually they just get a few more cents from you because you have to round to the nearest 5 cents. Bye.